Hi, this is Minnie Ribeiro and you're watching Chef's Delight on India Food Network. I'm here at Shemwa and with me is Chef Roshan Seth. Hi Chef.
Hello.
So Chef is going to give us some exciting tips today. Chef, what are you going to be teaching us?
We are going to make very simple vinaigrettes that are used in dressings. You can also use these vinaigrettes as a marinade for your meat because it tenderizes the meat and it makes it soft after you cook it.
Chef, but why dressings? Dressings are so easily available in the market these days.
I agree with you, Minnie, but not many people are aware what goes into making these dressings, how healthy they are. So we have balsamic vinegar, the red wine vinegar, simple lemon juice. This is basil pesto, salt, dry oregano, pepper and some extra virgin olive oil.
Lovely. So it's as simple as that.
Yes. So today we'll start with making a simple lemon vinaigrette. Okay. Here is a simple mixing bowl. This is approximately 60 ml of lemon juice. We'll put in the lemon juice inside, some salt, some pepper and some oregano. Now we'll put 120 ml of the olive oil, another 60 ml of olive oil, and the most easiest thing to do right now is to whisk it.
Just with a fork?
Yes. It has emulsified.
Yes, it has. So it's almost like sort of just gently beating it and mixing it.
Yes. And you can use this lemon vinaigrette with a nice vegetable salad, lots of crisp iceberg lettuce, some nice fresh tomatoes, juicy cucumbers, some olives, some parsley sprig into the salad, and just drizzle a small quantity of the dressing on the salad, and maybe you can give it on the side in case if someone wants it more. So now we're gonna make balsamic vinaigrette. We'll use the balsamic vinegar for this. Again, it is approximately 60 ml of balsamic vinegar. This vinegar is very strong in flavors.
Right. So what would it be good for? Meats?
It will go very well with meats. A pinch of salt.
Okay.
A pinch of pepper. We'll skip oregano in this because oregano has got a very mild flavor and the balsamic vinegar will have a very strong one. You can sniff it till here.
Yes, absolutely.
So now some oil. Since it is strong, we'll again use 120 ml of oil.
Okay.
It won't be a very sharp dressing.
Chef, you mentioned that these dressings can often be used to as marinades as well.
Yes.
So what would this be good for?
This will go very well with red meat. It will also go well with chicken. You just have to add little garlic into it and seep in the chicken or dunk the chicken into the marinade, and it will absorb all the balsamic flavor along with the oil and it will tenderize it.
Okay.
You can use it when you require a strong dressing to accentuate your salad.
I see, okay.
So there are times wherein the ingredients into the salad are very mild in taste. In case if you want to pack a punch into it, the balsamic vinaigrette works. Now for the next dressing, we're gonna make a simple French style dressing which will be made out of red wine vinegar. This is very mellow, very subdued in taste.
Process of all these dressings is pretty much the same.
Yes.
Okay.
Any vinaigrette is an emulsification between two immiscible liquids. When you are making an emulsification, it is a temporary stable structure of oil and vinegar which do not combine. It has to be emulsified to make a vinaigrette. Some salt, pepper, a pinch of oregano.
Oregano goes in here.
Yes. And again we'll whisk it. Color is again changing and it has again formed an emulsification,
Absolutely.
a light emulsification.
That's right. What would you recommend this for? What would be?
It will go very well with seafood salads in case if you are making something at home. It will go well with nice crunchy vegetables, juicy iceberg lettuce.
That's our third one, all right?
And for the last, we're gonna use a basil pesto vinaigrette. They also call it a green goddess vinaigrette because it
Okay.
looks green in color.
Yes, it does. This is commonly used in Italian food, isn't it?
Yes, it goes very well with roasted vegetable salad, maybe a chicken salad.
Okay.
Okay, a pinch of oregano, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. The salt and pepper, you can change it as per your tastes and requirements.
So this requires only about 60 ml of oil.
Yes, since it has to be green in color. And again, you can marinate your meats into it,
Oh, is it?
grill it, make a nice roasted chicken salad or maybe a grilled vegetable salad, dunk your zucchini or eggplant into it, grill it, and then serve it with crisp iceberg lettuce. So I hope I have broken the myth of convenience vinaigrette or dressings available in
Absolutely, you make it
supermarkets.
look so simple. So that was Chef Roshan Seth giving us exciting tips on how to make different kinds of vinaigrettes. Keep watching India Food Network for more.